Hello and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you're well. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make lacto-fermented tomatoes. Yes, you heard that right. If you'd love to learn how to make lacto-fermented tomatoes, please keep watching. For this recipe, I'll be using fresh tomatoes, a sprig of thyme and rosemary for extra flavor but optional, a tablespoon of sea salt, a glass weight to keep the tomatoes submerged in the brine, which is the liquid the tomatoes will be fermented in, and of course a glass jar. I'm keeping the ingredients simple, and here's an overview of everything I'll be using for the lacto-fermented tomato recipe. To begin, I'll slice off the top part of the tomatoes where the eye is and cut them into 4 parts. I'll do the same for the rest of the tomatoes. Now that I'm done cutting the tomatoes, I'll add the sea salt to it and stir it in. The reason why I've added the sea salt is because I want the tomatoes to produce a lot of liquid, which will be the brine that the tomatoes will be fermented in, as I will not be adding any water to it. Now that the salt is well combined with the tomatoes, I'll set them aside for 30 minutes and allow them to produce more brine. Now that 30 minutes is over, I'm gonna stir the tomatoes once more, and look how much brine it's produced. Next, I'll begin transferring the tomatoes into the jar. I'll start by throwing in a sprig of rosemary and then begin transferring the tomatoes into the jar. I'll pause and add a sprig of thyme and keep adding the tomatoes and gently push them down using a tamper as I go. I'm gonna do this gently because I don't want the tomatoes to break. I'll add a few more rosemary into the jar and add some more tomatoes. Next, I'll use a tamper to gently push down the tomatoes so the jar is compact. As you can tell, we have a good amount of brine, which has been created just by adding salt to the tomatoes. I'll put in the glass weights now and seal the jar. I'll leave this on the kitchen counter to ferment for 7 days. Look at that, I just love the color contrast, it's so beautiful. It's 7 days later, and as you can see, the bright red tomatoes have now turned slightly dull and the deep red brine has turned lighter in color. I'll open up the jar and take out the fermentation weight. Next, I'll take out a few of the lacto-fermented tomatoes. Here's a closer look. One thing I love about lacto-fermented tomatoes is that they are very versatile and can be used in so many ways. They can be added to salads, pasta dishes, added to soups, blended to make sauces, and the brine can be used as marinades as well. Once your lacto-fermented tomatoes are opened, you need to store it in the refrigerator, and they can last up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator. So, I guess we've come to the end of this video on how to make lacto-fermented tomatoes. If you've enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to click the notification bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. If you've got any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer them. As always, thank you for watching. Take care. See you next time. Bye.